In this video, I'll show you how to fix the HID compliant touchscreen driver missing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, click on the View menu at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. Now expand Human Interface Devices and check if HID compliant touchscreen appears in the list. If you see it, right-click on it and select Enable Device. If the touchscreen driver is completely missing, click Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Wait a few moments while Windows searches for missing hardware and drivers. If the driver still doesn't appear, right-click the Start menu and select Run. In the Run box, type the following command: msdt.exe-id device diagnostic. Then press Enter. The Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter will open. Click Next and let Windows detect and fix any hardware-related problems. After the scan is complete, restart your computer. Finally, open Device Manager and check under Human Interface Devices to see if the HID-compliant touchscreen driver has been restored. That's it. This is how you can fix a missing HID-compliant touchscreen driver on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.